how to start a pickup order in Little Caesars website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can place a pickup order on Little Caesars. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to Little Caesars website. Then right on the home page, you can see pickup option. Just tap on it. And then a new page will load up and you'll need to enter your location. So just tap on your location and then just find the restaurant where you want to order from. Tap on start your order and then you need to choose the date, the time. So once you choose the date and time, tap on start your order again. And now the menu will load up. So you can see the calories, the prices, and then just tap on plus. And then once you tap on plus, it will be added to your cart. And then you can go to the menu inside the menu and then choose the combo as well and tap on add to order. So all of this has been added to your order, and now you need to go to your cart in the top right. And then you need to tap on checkout. So make sure that you check everything and then tap on checkout. And while placing your order, if you want to sign in, then you can see the sign in option on the left hand side, but you can also do a guest checkout. So if you don't want to sign in, just tap on guest checkout and then you need to put in your first name, last name, mobile number, email address. You can see all of the things that you have ordered. You can put in promo code if you want to, and then you can see your total. You can add optional tip if you want to, and then place your order. So there you go. Just make sure that you check everything before you place your order. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.